Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This guy just cut me off and followed me down the road.
No. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Why are you chasing down a girl, dude?
Why are you being a
Why are you trying to cut people off? What the f? You chased me over here? You're crazy. You're insane, bro. Go on. Lord.
look in the mirror about who's the fault of that?
All right, go on. You chased me down, bro.
I'm gonna write a ticket on you later for going through that stop sign.
I turn now. Good luck to everybody else. This driver went a little too much while crossing the avenue and hit a car on my left. I was wondering what the holdup was. Please hold my brain cells while I pull out into traffic. This idiot Mercedes driver passes with oncoming vehicle ahead.
Oh my god!
If I was as stupid as him, I would have hit him. This driver got brake check for honking.
What the f***?
Wow. Sorry, guys. No, I mean, the guy just tried to brake check you.
I turn into a disappointed dad when rear-ended. This idiot almost got rear-ended twice. Not what I expected on my drive to work today. Zigzag across and almost get T-boned because you can't figure out where to go. This driver from the center of the universe was in a hurry to pass on the shoulder.
20 minutes later.
Who gave him a driving license? Did we not leave enough room for the truck to merge? Not sure if that bump was intentional or not. What do you think? Don't tell me how to drive my car.
I was like, holy f***, I gotta go the whole opposite direction right now.
What the
Good job.
Jesus.
And
Now you're just gonna
down.
take your time. Take your time, bud. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time, bro.
You didn't even stop at the
I got
stop.
a camera. Let's go. I'm not threatening you, stupid.
We said
just
time.
Park your car. What are you talking
Then
about?
learn
You
how
cut
to
me
drive
off.
it. Then actually learn how to drive
You
it.
cut me off. You
Get the
dumb.
here. Yeah, we have you on camera. When stop sign, Jack.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.